how to reinstall Steam without losing games. So if you want to reinstall Steam without losing games, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Steam and you can go and back up your games. So you can go with the Steam, which is on the top left, and then here you will have restore game backup. You need to click on it and then choose the directory, go with browse. After selecting the location, you can go with restore backup and you'll be able to restore your backup. Or the next method is you need to go with library or just simply go with settings. And under settings, you will have the library, and here on the library, or just simply go with downloads. And here you will have Steam library folders. So here you need to go with storage if you don't find it on your downloads in your library. Under your storage, you just need to simply go with the drive in which you have saved your games. Just click on it. So in some cases, your games might be distributed with all of the other drives as well. But in my case, it's only on local drive C. So as you can see that on your drive, you will have your games. So if you deleted your Steam, all the games will also be deleted. So in order to reinstall your Steam without losing your games, what you need to do is just simply move your games from the Steam folder to any other folder. So if you want to reinstall Steam without losing your games, I would say move your games to another folder. And after that, it won't delete your games. You won't lose any games. You can reinstall your Steam without losing any games. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.